Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to hide story views on Instagram. First, use the airplane mode trick. The airplane mode trick is one of the simplest and most effective methods for viewing Instagram stories without revealing your presence. Here's a detailed breakdown of how this trick works. Open the Instagram, access your device settings, and enable airplane mode. This mode disables your device's internet connectivity, preventing it from establishing a connection with Instagram servers. Then navigate to the Instagram story you wish to view anonymously. Tap on the profile picture of the user whose story you're interested. Once you've tapped on the story, give it a moment to load fully. Ensure that all the content in the story is accessible. Now, you can view the story content without worrying about triggering the scene notification. It is because in airplane mode, your device is offline and cannot communicate with Instagram servers to inform the user that you've watched their history. After you've viewed the story, exit the Instagram app, and this step ensures that your viewing activity is not recorded or associated with your account. Finally, go back to your device's settings and turn off airplane mode to restore your internet connectivity. Your device will now reconnect to the internet. By following these steps, you can successfully view Instagram stories anonymously. The key takeaway is that the airplane mode trick disrupts the connection between your device and Instagram servers, preventing any scene notifications when you watch someone's story. Second option, use a third-party app. The third option, use a secondary account. And fourth, slide and view from adjacent story. Instead of directly tapping on the specific Instagram story you want to watch, you can employ a clever technique by clicking on the story of an adjacent account. Instagram stories are arranged in a continuous sequence, one after the other, and this allows you to use this method effectively. Instead of clicking on the story you're interested, gently swipe your finger to the left to navigate to the first frame of the next account story. By doing this, you can catch a quick glimpse of what's happening in the first story without your username added to the seen by list. This way, you remain anonymous while still getting a sneak peek at the content. Similarly, you can see the final frame of someone's Instagram story by clicking on the first story of the next account and then lightly swiping your finger to the right to go back to the previous account's last story. However, it's important to note that this method only allows you to view the first and last frames of an account's story, not the middle frames. And the last, create a close friends list. Instagram offers a feature called the Close Friends List, designed to enhance privacy and allow users to share content selectively with a trusted circle of friends. When you post stories on Instagram, you can share them exclusively with your close friends. It means only the individuals you've added to your close friends list can view these stories, keeping them hidden from your broader followers. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next video.